You want to get this and convert it into this. It's a lot easier than you think it is. For example, you are messing with this. Look, come on, it's all blocks. The computer software converts it into this. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna show you how to do more of a simplistic nose. Make sure you have your object selected, go to the side, turn this off so you can see more what is going on. Just kind of get the nose shape you want down. Do dot on the numpad to make sure you zoom in more, have more power. I'm gonna make more of a small button nose because that's the idea. Kind of just zoom it out, click both of these, GG. You want some space here, depends. That's that. Make sure you have this selected. Click right here, I. Make it about right there. Then after that, we do K. Here, 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 here. We are splitting. Then do K up here. Here, here, here. Click this. And after that, Control R. Add a loop cut right here. S to scale a little bit. And after that, we do K again. Here, here, then here, then here, then here. Enter. All right, we got the basic shape done. I'm going to do Alt S to kind of zoom it out a little bit so it's more wider, and let them click this back. As you can see, we need some fixing. We need to do K here, here, enter, do K again here, here, enter. All right, now we have those. Select this, and I'm select basically push Z, select this whole thing right here, not this one, and do right click and smooth vortex just to do it once. Do smooth, see what we are doing, and we want to like push it out some more. After that, make sure you get rid of the old ones. So select this, hold down shift, click this, and after that, edges, and make sure you have your face selected. Push it back more, and E, then yeah, and you can just kind of, you can push this one more in so you get this cool look, see? And yeah, that's basically how you have a nose. You can see how it's like fusing in right here. You don't want that. Just kind of push it off to the side. Here we go. And yeah, just take your time, make it look as pretty as you want. And that's how you make a button nose. Select this, for example, and you can see it. Spend your time, make it look good, make it look as good as you can. Me, for example, I want more to be more of that. Then select this, just kind of see what you need. I want these to be more out more. And yeah, that's how you make a simplistic nose. Last minute touches, I'm gonna click this, then go to the side, and I'm just gonna click right here and just do R, the middle mouse wheel, and go up and down if I need to, and about right there. Then yeah, that looks good to me. I select this, and yeah, I get the pointy nose that I want. Also morph it about right here. Then yeah, it looks good to me, makes it looks good to you.